Animal habitats. For today, we will learn about the habitats of animals. So friends, where do you live? That's right, you live in houses. You live at home. But what about other animals? Where do they live? Every living animal needs a place to live, and also food and water. Just like how you live in houses, animals also have a place that they like to call home. Different animals live in different places. So, an animal's home is called habitats. Let's say it again together, friends. Animal's home is called habitats. There are animals that live
in water. In water. Animals that live in water. These animals can only live in water, like fish, shark, sardine, and shrimp. Animals that live on land. These animals can only live on land, like giraffe, lion, tiger, and zebra. Also, we have horse, deer, monkey, cat, and dog. Animals that live in the air. These animals can fly, like bird, butterfly, and bee.